all natural numbers, their negatives and 0. That's what makes integers, right?
Yes, sir.
Remember what are integers? Integers are numbers including natural numbers,
Natural
negative
number.
natural numbers, and 0.
Natural numbers.
And 0. Yeah. So is 0.5 an integer? Now you check if it falls under one of these three: natural number or negative natural number or 0. You should fall under one of these three category to call a number an integer. So is 0.5 an integer?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Between
So-
0 and +1, it is
Is it a natural?
0.5.
Is it a natural number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. It is not
No,
a
sir.
natural number.
Is it a negative of natural number?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it a negative of natural number? 0.5 is a negative of a natural number?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No. 0.5 is not a natural number. It's not a negative of a
Negative
natural
of
number.
natural.
It's not 0, obviously. Then how come it becomes an integer? It lies between 0
It
1
lies
and
between 0 and 1, sir.
So, but is that a definition of integer? Recall
No,
the
sir.
definition
No,
of
sir.
integer. Integers are numbers which are either natural numbers or negatives or natural numbers or 0. Right? Lying
Yes, sir.
between 0 and 1 or between anywhere does not qualify it to be an integer. The qualification is either it should be a natural number or a negative of a natural number or 0. That's it. It can't be anything else. So is it a natural number? No. Is it a negative of a natural number? No. Is it a 0? No. It doesn't qualify any of these three criteria. Then how can it be an integer?
So 0.5 is not an integer.
Not integer,
It
sir.
is not an integer. It is not a number that you can use for counting. It is not a number, negative of a number that you use for counting. It is not 0. That's another way of putting it. Okay, so is it a whole number?
No.
No. No, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
It's not a because what are whole numbers? Natural numbers and 0.
0.
It's not a natural number.
Okay.
And I actually answered the next question. So is it a natural number?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is not used for counting. Therefore, it's not a natural number. Is it a real number?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, it's a number that you know is a good. It's not a formal way. Let me tell you that. If somebody asks to write in the exam, if you have a question like what are real numbers, don't say numbers that we know. No, that's not the formal answer. I'm giving you that answer as a shortcut to identify a number as a real number, because that's the only kind of numbers that you know. The formal definition is either it's a rational number or irrational number. Then it becomes a real number.